From the AMB, we expect, like every 2 years, a really high level of skilled, knowledge people coming to this exhibition. And so far, we are really happy with the fair because the interest in our direct robot control was really high, and also the interest in our M800 series is increasing now.
Direct robot control is the new way for programming the robots. So finally the CNC operator can be ready to program the movement of the robot directly from the CNC by the G code. So it will be super easy, and the CNC operator don't have to learn deeply the robot language. The operator can use the functionality of the CNC and the information from the CNC, like the axis position and so on, to use for the robot program. The background is that we don't want to put limitation to the customer, so we want to expand as much as possible our portfolio, the robot maker. That's why we start with KUKA. Of course, we can use a Mitsubishi robot as well. The main advantages for the end user is that they don't have to call anymore the system integrator, so they can save money, they can save time, increase the productivity.
We as Mitsubishi Electric CNC, we want to emphasize on solutions and functionalities and products which are already available for the customer. We would like to show items, solutions which the customer can use now. For example, we have our NC Visualizer software for the very first time. It's an easy to connect, easy to use condition monitoring software, so our customer can directly use it, connect it to the machines, and visualize and collect all the data of all his machine tools with Mitsubishi CNC.
Industrie 4.0 ist ein Thema in aller Munde. Wir zeigen die Vernetzung von Drahterosion, Senkerosion, wir zeigen Datenübertragung, wir zeigen, wie man Produktion transparent darstellen kann. Die AMB als Leitmesse in der Werkzeugmaschinenbranche ist natürlich für uns immer sehr interessant. Wenn wir uns heute mal umschauen, der erste Messetag, der üblicherweise sehr ruhig angeht, wir haben hier richtig viel Kundenverkehr, lässt ein Stück weit darauf deuten, dass die Kundschaft viel Arbeit hat, dass viel Geschäft funktioniert und dass tatsächlich die Industrie weiter läuft auf Hochtouren.